made the final improvements, I believe, to the system. And now I'm running a complete end-to-end test from ingestion to retrieval to chat. So you'll notice over here, I have so many tests, so many result files, right? Because those were all the tests I ran, version 3, version 4, version 5, version 6. Version 1 and 2 are not there, but anyway, that's beside the point. So, as I said, I'm running a complete end-to-end test. And what I'm doing right now is I have two data sets, HotPotQA and music. But I want to compare how the latest and best models would function in relation to a local model. So this over here is using Gemma3 4B. And then we have this one over here. This one is using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. And it was actually really fast. I would have been able to finish everything in like a day, like the whole ingestion process in like a day. But the API has rate limits. So I actually hit a rate limit. So I had to wait before I could continue. So I would have finished this long time ago. But yeah, unfortunately, I had to wait. So you can even see how fast it's moving, right? Look at how fast it's moving. Uh, Actually, let me even open one of the ingestion log. Ingestion log. Scroll to the bottom, and you notice total time 43 seconds. Total time 31 seconds. Total time 30 seconds. So let's say an average of 40 seconds. 53. Yeah, let's just say an average of 40 seconds, right? And then over here, we have Gemma. Gemma, so I mean, we are limited by our hardware, but we are going for local first, right? So for the ingestion log over here, let's see how long it usually takes. 109 seconds, 185 seconds, 218 seconds. Wow, 280. Okay. I'll say maybe an average of like 200 seconds, 63, 300. Wow, interesting. 168. Okay. Well, when it's done, I will go through everything and then figure out what the exact average is. But yeah, as you can see, it's quite slow for the local model. So yeah, let me show you the test results from my optimization. So we have V3, version 3, version 3. These were the results I got. This is using Gemma3. So fuzzy match 63%, exact match 43%, 48%. And this is the log, right? So sub question, potential analysis, reasoning, the first sub question reviews, blah, 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 blah. Then we have version 4, Gemini. Oh, I don't think this one, yeah, I don't think this one finished. Okay, I can get rid of this. It's completely unnecessary. Oh, where were we? Version 4. Yeah, this is the one. So over here we had 65 for fuzzy match and 46 for exact match, right? And then we tried version 4 again with a few, just a few, like it was just a slight change. And this time we had fuzzy of 68 and exact of 48. And I think this was the highest we had for the local model. Because if you even go to version 3, 63, 48. But this version 4 had 68, 48, right? So that was quite good. And then we tested it again and 69, 47, right? So hovering around 60, 60, 68, 67, 69, right? For the fuzzy match. Now, this is when I started trying Gemini, and already you can see it has it has already shot up. right? 74 fuzzy match, but then you can see exact match is still it's still basically the same, 47, right? 47, 48, 47. V5, this one was just like I had an idea that I wanted to test out and see if it will work, and then I tried it, and the results were not better. So I quickly gave up on that idea. And then we have V6 Gemini. This one you notice match 55, exam at 35. I don't remember why exactly this one was worse. Oh, okay, Gemini 2. Okay, yes. So there's a model I used for this one. I think it was because of the model. For some reason, Gemini 2.5 Flash was worse than I think it was Gemini 2. Is it this? Yeah, exactly. Gemini 2 Flash, which is interesting. But anyway, let me see. V6, yeah. V6 hotpot up to no, this isn't part of it. Yeah, so these were the results I was getting, right? Which is a drastic improvement from I think this one. Yeah, 35, 47. So these were just like side tests I was running to test out a new approach I had in mind, and it performed quite well. So that's what I'm using for the system now. And now I am running a complete end-to-end test from ingestion to retrieval to chat, basically the whole system. So like I said, we're using Gemini 3 Flash preview for this one, and we're using Gemma3 4B for this one. So when everything is done, then we move on to the retrieval and the basically the question and answer stage, right? We'll get the results for that, and then we'll see how they perform compared to each other. Because I mean, if we're using Gemini 3 Flash Preview here, we expect that the ingestion process it will be able to synthesize the information better than Gemma 3 4B, which also means that it would be able to get better answers in the end. So when I'm actually done, I will use Gemma 3 4B to answer the questions using Gemini 3 Flash's ingestion. And then I use Gemini 3 Flash to answer the questions for Gemma 3 4B's ingestion. It's just so I can compare all four aspects and see what exactly where exactly each model shines. Then when I'm done with that, I'll have the same process for the music data sets. So yeah, that's where we are now. And this time, hopefully, the next video will be the final video. So stay tuned.